So you see, the physical.
Good morning, watching Jonorob Media. 30 November 221, Praxis Business School, a premier institution focused on building digital leaders of the future, celebrated a decade of data science praxis of commemorated country first ever postgraduate program in the field launched by the institution back in 2011. The mark this occasion, Praxis 10 is resolved to bridge the gender gap in technology with the unveiling of the Women in Teach scholarship in the presence of the iconic Deepa Malik, India's first woman Para-Olympic medalist, Padma and Major Dhyanchand Khel Ratna recipient. The WIT scholarship will be offered across all the programs at Praxis PGDM. Data science and data engineering to all women who qualify for the program and meet the eligibility criteria. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Charanpreet Singh, founder director Praxis Business School, said the 14-year journey with Praxis has been very fulfilling. To add to the joy, our path-breaking data science program has been ranked the best in the country by the latest Analytics India magazine rankings for 2021. This would not have been possible without our wonderful team of faculty members, academic and non-academic leaders, our industry partners and requirements, our strong alumni network and all our students. We have also consistently believed that digital leadership cannot be achieved without releasing the potential of 50% of our talent pool, that is women. Therefore, we formalize that commitment today.
I got introduced to metaverse. So that was 2005. The sudden excitement today is because of two new technologies. Not very new, but talked about. That is the Microsoft HoloLens and the Facebook Oculus. These are the hot things. And looking forward, we are looking at what is known as mind-controlled devices. Okay, that's not science fiction. It's actually happening. Let's talk about it. What is a shared social space? We're all familiar with Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. There is a shared social space. There's no point in adding anything more to it. All of you know it very well. Flipkart, Amazon, we all go and buy things there. So if you put the two things together, do you get that shared space? Is that the metaverse? We are approaching it. Not quite. There are two more components which are required to make the metaverse come alive. One is the concept of three-dimensionality, the sense of immersiveness. We are used to a screen on where we see things moving around. No, we want the 3D effect. That's number one. And number two is crypto assets or cryptocurrency, which you would have heard the name Bitcoin, which of course many governments are trying to ban, but it is fundamental to the economy of the metaverse. Okay, so crypto and 3D are the new things which are happening today. So let's take a look. This is one of the metaverse that you can visit right now, today. Place called Decentraland. Okay, just go ahead and type decentraland.org, it will be there. You can log in as a guest. But if you have to log in really, you have to use an Ethereum crypto wallet. That's the crux of the matter. Your Ethereum wallet. That is one of the fundamental things, is that without the connection, your login is through your wallet. I mean, PUBG and this and that, and all kinds of things are played. So what is different out here? Three things. First is the concept of ownership of digital assets. Ownership. It's not like I take an image, you're taking all photographs, but you can take a photograph, you can make a copy and somebody else. It's not ownership. You can go and fight in the courts, but you can't, I can easily copy an image file, a PNG file, or a MP3 file. I can copy it. Not so in the metaverse. With crypto, you can't. He is playing in the physical world, and his opponent is in the digital world. They are playing ping pong, table tennis. This is how the things are merging. Okay? And this is not science fiction. This is possible today. And in fact, this has been possible for the last 3-4 years. Okay? So you see how effective. And now he is going into a shooting mode. Obviously these games are all built on killing and shooting. Hopefully the social media will not be from killing and shooting. It will be more like friendly exchange. But you see, and this is it.
Director of Praxis Business School, Charanpreet ji, founder, and Kamlesh Sajnani ji, founder and chairman. Thank you for giving me this opportunity and making me a part of this beautiful celebration of knowledge, celebration of thinking ahead of time, and celebration of joining an organization which has vision for building India for future, and which is also a first. So it's indeed an honor to associate with yet another first in India. I have a lot of firsts in my bag, so I automatically connect with you there. Learning about Praxis and its journey, I almost had goosebumps because this is exactly my journey. I didn't know that. I think we were meant to be, and we were meant to cross our paths, because it can't be more similar than this timeline. And before I even go to this timeline, let me also share that coming to an education institute, when I myself got educated in city of Kolkata, I did my 11th and 12th here. I learned all my leadership qualities and my love for sports. Everything happened here. I was the school captain of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Fort William. I have studied there for 2 years, and they were years of major learning and major transformation. My first ever English movie, or my first ever inter-school debate competition, my first ever going to a college fest when I had come to attend Xavier's Fest as the honored students who were taken from the school. So a lot of firsts for me happened here in Kolkata. In athletics or across any sport, won a medal for the country. And that was really a changing moment, because post that, all of India talking about that is the highest scoring honor. And 2021, we have just heard 2020, which we brought home in 21, and I got an opportunity, and it makes me very proud and happy that I am sitting here and we're talking about our new India, India at 75. The vision of new India is global India, where we are at.
Glad to know Praxis admitted students to their flagship PGDM course in Kolkata in July and to their data science program in January and July as their campus in Kolkata and Bangalore.